Good morning! You're watching Tap in Time. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're not already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So, without further ado, let's tap in time. In today's video, we're going to be working on section 1 of the routine Wellerman for a beginner's level. So, let's begin. So, standing in parallel with our knees slightly bent, we're going to be starting with the right leg first. We have a brush forward and a brush backward like so, followed by a shuffle toe heel back in parallel. We then repeat this on the left leg, so we have a brush forward and a brush backward, then a shuffle toe heel back in parallel. Perfect! Next we have a slow 4-beat cramp roll starting with the right leg first. Then we have a quick 4-beat cramp roll starting with the right leg. And finally, with the right leg, we have a brush toe heel to the right diagonal like so. Make sure not to place any weight on that right leg. Perfect! That's all of section 1. Let's now piece together all the steps learnt. So, standing in parallel with our knees slightly bent, we're going to be starting with the right leg first. We have perfect! So there you have it, section 1 for the routine Wellerman.